Over the last 14 days of launching this Facebook ads campaign, we've turned $1,000 in ad spend into $70,000 worth of in-home estimates. And this campaign generated 29 exclusive leads at cost per lead of $35. And in this video, I'm gonna just go over the exact lead generation funnel behind those results. Now, our lead generation funnel starts with the offer, because the biggest factor of a successful ad campaign, number one, is going to be your offer, and number two is going to be the ad creatives. Now, for our offer, we've picked the following, which is $500 off this month, limited to 12 homes. And that's the core offer. And then we have a 0 deposit, pay only after the job is completed, because a lot of homeowners are skeptical, paying contractors upfront, because they've probably been burned before of, some contractors get a deposit and they just never show up or run away. So this is going to eliminate that risk for them. Number 3 is speed, which is important. So we want to mention, if you could do them, in 2 to 3 days or even faster, you can mention it. Complete in 2 to 3 days here. Now the last one is 2-year no peel, no chip or warranty, which is going to remove fear about durability. Now, once we have our offer, then we're gonna come up with video ad creative. Now, this video ad creatives that we have run, I didn't get permission from the client to share it, but I'm gonna show you examples through Facebook ads library of what it looks like, so you can get inspiration. So yeah, the video ad creative is pretty simple. It's just before and after transformation of, before and after of just a simple video. You could even do a voiceover on top of that. So let me just play this few ones that I found on more Facebook ads library, so you can see, these ads been running for the past 2 months, so we know they're working.
Hi, this is Michael Murray. I'm the owner of Textbook Painting. I just wanted to show off this beautiful kitchen we just finished painting out here in Avon. We painted all of these cabinets on the outside of the kitchen, this beautiful modern white color. Love the way that this turned out. If it's something that you're interested in, you want to get a quote for cabinet painting, that's something we specialize in. We'd love an opportunity to provide you with a free quote so we could earn your trust.
This is just very simple. And this is similar video, and this another one. As you can see, it's just not too complicated, just show before and after transformation and just what your offer is. That's it. So once we come up with an offer, we make the video ads, then we're going to run Facebook and Instagram ads to the offer. Now, we're going to be targeting people who are most likely interested in cabinet painting. And we can target hyper-local, so by radius, zip code, and city. Once people click on the ad, we're going to take them through, 3 to 4 pre-qualification questions to have the leads pre-qualify themselves. And then we're going to SMS verify them to make sure the leads are verified and are real, because a lot of people, we don't want to just assume that people who are going to fill out the form are serious, because a lot of people are just going to fill out the form out of curiosity. Some are going to put a wrong phone number, and some people are not just serious. So we've added this last verification here, SMS verification, to make sure the leads are not spam and they're real people, so we can actually get a hold of them. Now, once the leads submit the form, we're going to count them as a pre-qualified lead. Our end clients will receive an immediate SMS and email notification of the lead, where they can call and book that in-home estimate. Very simple. And that's about it for this case study. Now, if you own a home improvement business or a painting business, or you do cabinet painting or any home improvement business in general, and you like to get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow your business, and then I will leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me or somebody on the team. We'll go over a quick 10-15 minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if this makes sense for your business. And that's it. Thank you for watching.